Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading, April 6 to 12, 2026. General reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, meron tayong website, mysticqueenph.com, o kaya naman you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay. Let's see Pisces. Weekly energies, April 6 to 12. Pause. Ayan. So, maaring may pagtigil, Pisces. Mag-iisip-isip ka muna. Magre-reassess ka ng situation. Pwedeng merong iiwasan ka muna or hindi mo muna gagawin, ipag-isasang tabi mo muna, is because you want some clarity, no? Kaliwanagan sa sitwasyon mo. And that's better actually. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, pag masyadong marami nang nangyayari sa paligid natin, para bang nakaka-overwhelm, tapos hindi ka na makapag-isip ng tama. So, pwedeng magde-detach ka muna sa isang sitwasyon na hindi ka sigurado para makapag-isip ka ng gagawin mo moving forward. Transformation. Things are changing for you. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo rito, umiiwas kayo sa mga nakakasalamuhan nyo na toxic. You want to focus on peace, serenity, happiness. Some of you are going through major change in your life na, kumbaga, pag nakilala kayo, ay nakita kayo ng dati nyo kakilala a few years ago, sasabihin na hindi na ikaw yan, yung dating kilala nila. Alam nyo yun? So, a lot has changed. I think mas magiging, parang isolated or solitary, kumbaga, parang you will focus more on yourself. You have the Two of Swords. There's a change or a decision na gumugulo sa isip mo lately. Kaya siguro ikaw ay dumidistansya muna. But with the Queen of Swords here, you will definitely make that decision. Palaban yung energy nyo rito eh. Ito yung tipong hindi ka pumapatol kahit binabato ka na. Alam mo yun, hindi ka lumalaban. Kasi naghahanap ka muna ng peace of mind. Pag okay ka na, saka ka bebuelta, gano'n. You have the Five of Swords. So this is about, I think may dito revelation. Revelation of someone's intentions towards you. Pwedeng yung intention ng person na to, hindi mo akalain na ganun pala, no? Kumbaga malayo sa inaasahan mo. Pwedeng meron ding betrayal dito. You feel betrayed about the action of this person. Kaya ikaw ay umiiwas at pinag-iisipan mo kung ikikip mo ba yung situation na yon, relationship na yon, or aalis ka na. I think you are going to cut off a person, cut off a relationship sa buhay mo or a connection sa buhay mo to find, peace. At i-retain mo lang yung mga taong talagang alam mong kakampi mo. You are walking away from a situation. Yan. You also have the Ace of Wands here. So, new beginning, new opportunities for you. Some of you, pwedeng sa workplace to, sa trabaho nyo, na pakiramdam nyo, hindi kayo na-value, or, alam mo yun, parang walang growth. So, you are leaving that situation for a new opportunity. Okay? Love. Oh, ganda. So, you are loving yourself, taking care of yourself. You also have, first, pay attention to your finances. So, maaari rin meron kang i-calibrate or aayusin sa kaperahan mo, sa resources mo. ngayong week na to. Kasi pwedeng napabayaan mo yung trabaho mo, napabayaan mo yung mga importanteng bagay sa'yo na nagbibigay ng income. So ngayon, may inaayos ka. Time to get out of the situation. Yes. You are going out of this situation, feeling stuck, feeling na confused, or feeling betrayed. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.